In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, a handy tool that can help you manage your schedule more effectively. Whether you're organizing your personal life or managing a busy work calendar, this beginner's guide will walk you through everything you need to get started on Google Calendar. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. Once there, click on the first result that appears. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your email address and click on Next. Then enter your password and click Next once more. This will take you directly to the Google Calendar interface. Once you're in Google Calendar, you'll notice a plus sign beside the section labeled Other Calendars. By clicking on this, you can create a new calendar, which is a great way to organize different areas of your life, such as work and personal obligations. Click on Create New Calendar. In the dialog box that appears, type in a name for your calendar. Make it something descriptive to easily identify it later. After you've entered the name, click Create Calendar. You'll find an arrow in the upper left corner. Click it to return to the main view. Now let's customize the calendar. Find the calendar you just created on the left side menu and click on the three dots beside it. Here, you can change the color of your calendar events, making it visually distinct from others. Choose a color you like. When it comes to adding events, click the Create button. This option will let you set up new events or tasks. Start by selecting Event, and you'll be able to enter the event's name. Choose the date and time you want the event to occur. You can also add guests by clicking Add Guests and typing in their email addresses. This feature is excellent for scheduling meetings or group activities. Once you've filled in all the details, click Save. Google will then prompt you to send invitations to your guests. Click on Send to notify them of the event. Google Calendar isn't just for events. You can also create tasks. Click on Create again, and this time select Task. Enter the task's name, set the desired date and time, and then save it. Tasks are useful for keeping track of to-do lists and smaller actionable items that don't require a full event setup. With these basic steps, you're well equipped to start using Google Calendar to stay organized and efficient. Feel free to explore more features within Google Calendar to further tailor it to your personal or professional needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in planning your days more effectively.